So hello and welcome back to the amazing session people, where I will be letting you know all kind of marking scheme in case of physics, and this is the marking scheme specially related to the specimen paper which was released in case of ICSE cluster semester 2 in physics examination, and which was released around December month. Clear children? And let me say you people that whatever the marking scheme you are getting over here, which you have got in case of specimen paper, yes, it will somehow remain changes. I mean to say that whatever the marking scheme, suppose for an example electricity 3 and 4 marker are also there, but in case of whenever you will be giving exam, that is on a Monday, somehow you will be having any kind of changes over there. Changes mean somehow 8 मार्क का टोटल आता है, 8 से 9 बन जाएगा, 9 से 6, even somehow it will remain interchange. Coming to the sound, regarding this marking scheme, as I also told in before videos, that whatever I will be telling you people, please do that much, and scoring 40 out of 40 will be very easy. Always remember, in your entire life, wherever you go, always try to give a lots of importance to the exercise question first, then after you are going to give a lots of importance to the numericals through the example. Moral of the story I wanted to say, if you are following somehow Concise Selina, if you are following somehow Ratna Sagar, RS Agarwal, whatever, sorry, RS Agarwal in mathematics, I am not talking about that. If somehow you are following any kind of textbook, always remember you have to accomplish all kind of exercise question first, because if a boy or a girl complete all kind of exercise question, guarantee 40 out of 40. For more details, you people can ask your relatives, brother and sister, those who generally scored 95 plus percentage. How they have scored for 95 plus percentage? Because they always give a lots of priority to the important question which generally based on exercise question. And even PYQs, many people might be thinking, sir, what do you mean by PYQs? Where the PYQs come? Always remember, PYQs always come from exercise question. If a boy or a girl complete all kind of exercise question, that means from that exercise question PYQ is reserved. Clear children? And you can see over here that the first and the topmost priority which I will be giving over here, that is to the none other than sound. Being a student and being a teacher, I would like to recommend people, wherever you are in around the corner of India, please always give a lots of importance to the sound. Then after radioactivity, many people might be thinking, अरे यार क्या पागल जैसे बात कर रहा है यार, how can I say, then where the electricity, then where the calorimetry will go away? No people, we have to plan according to the marks. We have to plan how can we score 40 out of 40. We have to plan according to the smart work. We have, and many people are there, those are going on reading randomly, but what the benefit they get? The benefit they get zero, because reading randomly doesn't help somehow. Reading smartly always helps somehow. Clear children? Moral of the story is sound. Why I am saying sound? Because over here that is all about, you can say section A, section B. Section A is all about MCQ. That is a 10 mark reserved. Section B, 5 questions are there. Out of the 5 you have to attempt any kind of 3 questions. In the specimen paper, 5 questions stands for 50 marks, and out of that you have to attempt any kind of 3 questions. That is all about 30 marks. Clear children? And you can see sound generally has come with the 11 mark, and the radioactivity generally has come with the 13 marks, which is the highest mark over here. That is somehow sound, somehow radioactivity. That's the reason I am saying people always give a lots of importance to the sound and radioactivity. Do not forget, sound and radioactivity is a unit. Sound is a unit, similarly radioactivity also a unit, that is having 2 different units people. That's the reason I am saying this. And the moral of the story, please complete all kind of exercise questions. As you can see, 2 MCQs you people will be getting, which you have got in case of specimen. If such type of question will be coming, definitely 2 question from sound is reserved MCQ. 9 marks, overall is 11 marks. That means if you can complete sound, the important question of the sound, which is none other than resonance ka example, and the most important, that is damped vibration, quality, loudness, and what more, quality, loudness, pitch. Please do the definition का probability बहुत importance होता है, आ जाएगा exam में people. Clear? And please do the distinguish between damped and the natural vibration. That is very important people. Clear? This is all about the show. Coming to the radioactivity, radioactivity importance, gamma rays, alpha beta gamma radiation का distinguish MCQ में पक्का आएगा, लिख लो, guarantee question, top question for the MCQs. Even the most important question again, if people will be getting from from that, that is properties and also medical use purpose, which questions medical uses purpose and properties of gamma, alpha, beta rays, and what are the uses of gamma rays, beta rays, alpha rays, that is given, and as well as the numericals, emission, beta emission, alpha emission, so numerical ek pakka girega. This is the important show. And isotope, isobar, isotone, somehow example you have to learn it out. Even please people do all kind of distinguish, which has been there in the concise book. Ek bada sa table hoga, people do not score it. If you don't know, let me say you about myself that I am the educator in an academy. Recently I have taken the classes, and many people generally they are joining, you know very well. And also tomorrow I will be taking the session, people. Tomorrow I will be taking the session tomorrow I will be taking session at 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. tomorrow I will be taking the session at 3 p.m. on Unacademy platform, and the date which I want to confirm, that is 8 May 2022, which I will be taking the classes on Unacademy 8 May 2022 at 3 p.m. and you can apply the code MALLICK Malik 10. You can apply this code, and you can apply this code to join the classes. Even you can apply this code to gain the subscription. You can apply this code to gain the subscription by the help of taking a flat 10 to 15% off. Similarly, people, please do share with your relatives and brother and sister. Somehow they can get the benefit by applying this code. If a boy or a girl is taking subscription of 5,000, that means if he or she will apply the code MALLICK Malik 10, he or she can get flat 10 to 15% off. Somehow 500, 600, 700 off mil jayega. So why to make it delay? And also, and you can download the DPPs. There you can download the DPPs by going to the link, and you can download the animation, without animation, free DPPs, free PDF. You can download everything. You can download over there. If every benefit you are getting, what and we should be thankful to Unacademy that I will be taking special free classes. It's not a paid one. It's a special free classes where you people can feel it, that SRM sir will be standing, will be sitting in front of you live. Yes, people, those who generally join the session, please do comment, let other also get the benefit. People, you have to get the benefit. Coming to the after sound and radioactivity, I will be coming again at the top, coming to the calorimetry. In case of calorimetry, people, the top most important question, again, specific heat capacity, latent heat capacity important, specific heat capacity, latent heat capacity, heat and temperature. Somehow it is important, it is not important, मगर गिर भी सकता है. कैलोरीमेट्री का मेजरमेंट क्या होता है, SI यूनिट पूरा अच्छे से पढ़कर जाना बेटा. SI यूनिट का MCQ गिरेगा बच्चों. एंड यस, स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी, लैटेंट हीट कैपेसिटी, न्यूमेरिकल. फॉर मोर डिटेल्स, एग्जांपल 5 of Concise Selina, and please do the first exercise rapidly, and for more details I will be saying you in the another important session. People, this is all about the calorimetry. Please do little bit numericals, because you people can get numericals over here. As you can see, calorimetry over here, 1 + 1 2 mark of MCQ is reserved, in which you people will be getting SI unit का X question. 3 + 3 + 4, 3 + 3 2 question, which you people will be getting distinguish मिल जाएगा. Many people doesn't even they have done wrong in case of geography. डिस्टिंग्विश मतलब अगर 2 मार्क का डिस्टिंग्विश पूछा होगा तुम्हें 3 पॉइंट लिखना है. अगर 3 मार्क का डिस्टिंग्विश पूछा है तो तुम्हें 5 पॉइंट लिखना है. 5 पॉइंट इन विच यू कैन ऐड फॉर्मूलाज, यू कैन ऐड SI यूनिट्स, यू कैन इवन गिव एग्जांपल्स इवन दो फ्रॉम योर साइड. रिमेंबर दिस पीपल. Somehow it is coming 12 marks. After this top 3 chapter, I would like to keep the top 3 chapter. If you can complete the top 3 chapter, sound, radioactivity, calorimetry, definitely I can say 25 marks is pakka inside your pocket. Clear, children? That is even for the more proof, you can see 11, 13, and somehow it is 12 marks. Clear? After that, I would like to keep the top in EMI. Moral of the story, always my first priority whenever I used to go to the examination hall, till yet I am also a student, I am also going to give some exam. Whenever I am going to the examination hall, first priority to impress the examiner. How can I impress the examiner? I can impress the examiner with the help of my writing style, with the help of my handwriting. If my handwriting is also not good, somehow I can impress the examiner. How can I impress the examiner? I can impress the examiner with the help of my drawings, with the help of my design. I want to say drawing and figure and label. People, many students are there, those who are not aware of it. Even in the maths also, I told mathematics exam also, I told figure is mandatory, drawing is mandatory. Somehow you people was not knowing. Here also, I can guarantee you 100% people, you are not aware that in case of electromagnetic induction, if you want to gain a very good number of marks, like 40 out of 40, 35, 36, 37, अगर एक बच्चा 25 is his planning to score 25, he or she can also gain 2 to 3 marks if he or she will do figure drawing in case of EMI. For an example, solenoid has come in the exam. Solenoid, you can draw a figure. Left hand thumb rule, in the exam it will come, state the left hand thumb rule. After stating a left hand thumb rule, after that you have to draw it. That is, the thumb is known as force, and middle finger is known as what? Current or magnetic field line. You have to comment right there. Let me also know which you people know or not. These are the very important. Whatever you write, whatever you do, figure is very important. Function of split ring, function of armature, as well as carbon brushes. It's not a process. Some people ask, sir, what do you mean by carbon process? It's not a carbon process. It's known as a carbon brushes. BRUSHES. Very highlighted top question. Lens law, left hand thumb rule, right hand thumb rule, right hand thumb rule, left hand rule. Sorry, right hand rule, left hand thumb rule, and what more I was talking about? Oersted experiment, Oersted-Christian experiment, EMI, electromagnetic induction. The most important. Many people are having bother about that. That's a comparison of AC over DC. AC DC current आएगा कि नहीं ना? Those question will be not coming. Yes, comparison between AC over DC will be coming. People, please do that particular question. Comparison between AC or DC. People, you have to go hard. People, clear over. After that, after EMI, I would like to keep top again. That is known as electricity. Now you might be thinking, sir, why you are keeping electricity at the bottom? And I know very well, many people are doing a lots of practice in electricity. If you are doing somehow, again you are doing somehow mistake in your pre-planning. So if you are, that doesn't mean reading something is having a loss of knowledge. No, you read, but somehow you are having little bit list because you are not giving lots of time. Give the time where higher number of question will be asked. Sound, you have to read little bit, and maximum number of question will be coming in case of sound. Remember this. Pre-plan strategy. In case of the same thing, EMI, little bit you have to read, but maximum number of questions they will be asking. This is the very important. We have to know the strategy. Electricity, suddenly ampere, where one of the favorite question of the board examination in the unacademic session also I told, define 1 ampere. Favorite question of the ICSE board examination, I define ampere, 2 marker question will be coming. How can you write the people? You have to write in this way. Let me give an example, brief example, that 1 ampere is defined as the amount of charge flows in 1 second through the conductor is known as ampere. Over. Not only that, again one line you have to edit out, that 1 ampere equals to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. Another line you have to write it down. Ampere is also known as the SI unit of current. This much you have to write it down to gain 2 marks, people. Many people, they write only definition. If you are doing, again somehow you are doing wrong. No, including the definition, somehow you have to give examples. You have to lead 1 to 2 points. तुम्हें थोड़ा सा देना है. अगर दोगे वहीं पे तड़का लगेगा. You examiner will give you the marks. Remember always, right? This is all about the show. Let me say important question, people. Yes, 1 question, 2 to 3 question is guaranteed. I personally think every year it comes. That is silver wire, top wire. Page number 183, 184. 8.10 Concise Selina superconductor. That is the very important. For an example, nichrome wire, tungsten wire, copper wire, aluminum wire, silver wire. Why they are used, where they are used, why so, give reason, as well as even that is the most important. Tungsten wire, nichrome wire, that is the very important, people. Do not ignore that. VI graph is somehow also important. It is VI graph is such kind of question is very important for the CBSE board members. NCERT people, sorry, off topic. If someone is following NCERT, please go with the electricity chapter number 10 for NCERT का 5 number वाला question. 10 तारीख तो एग्जाम है ना सीबीएसई का, कर भी लेना. Off topic, do not get bothered, because see, I am not looking after the book and all. I am saying everything which is there over here, because if I look at the book now, I'll get many people might be thinking, sir, he is not looking at the book. Do he is having saying some of the story? No, I am not looking at the book. Do you know why? Because whatever I am having such kind of confidence, whatever I'll be saying from here, that is the I am having confidence as well as sure short guarantee question. But moral of the story, if I'll be looking after the book, somehow I will become confused and I will get mess up, right, people? All right, then after coming to the what more left, household circuit somehow remaining suspense, which I will be coming in the important question series, people. These are the show. Moral of the story, sound excess question, radioactivity excess question, calorimetric excess question, electricity, EMI excess question. Do this much, and then after 40 out of 40 is confirmed. These are the show, and please take the screenshot. I'm giving a pause. All right, taking the screenshot, and people, again I'll come with a brief part. And also many people are saying, sir, how can we do numericals of calorimetry as well as electric current electricity? Very well, numerical आज 30 मिनट में numerical पक्का सिखा दूंगा, both calorimetry as well as current electricity. Do not go anywhere. 30 मिनट में हलवा हो जाएगा. How 30 minute? When it will be coming? Tomorrow is Sunday. Every video people will be getting definitely 5 to 6 videos of physics for sure. Thank you. Signing off for the today. Again, coming strong at the next session. Till then, cheers. Goodbye. Go ahead.